Hey guys, this is the newly launched Boat Airdopes High Def TWS Earbuds. So this is the upgrade of the Boat Airdopes 800 and it's supported with the high-res audio wireless, which means it's supported with the high-res Bluetooth audio codec. It's LDAC codec supported. So now in this video, let me share you how to connect and how to use the LDAC codec on this TWS earbuds and how to connect with the Boat Hearables app and what are the new features it contains. Now firstly, this is the Boat Airdopes 800 high def TWS earbuds. Once you open it, automatically enters to the pairing mode. So now you can easily able to connect to any device, whether it's an Android or iPhone. And this Boat Airdopes 800 high def is also supported with Google Fastpair. So firstly, go to the Bluetooth settings and if it available, connect it. And also there is a Google Fastpair dialog box. Just to click on connect. But in case if you see like this couldn't connect, like this option means just to go back and pair it manually. So after paired, now you can see the dialog box. Just to click on the save. So now this Boat Airdopes 800 high def saved to your Google account as well. Now just to click on the setup. So it automatically goes to the Boat Hearables application. You need to install the application called Boat Hearables. Here is the application name. You have to install this app, and once you enter the Boat Hearables app, and before if you connected with the Bluetooth connection means then it will be automatically synced with the application. Now in the application, the new update is that there is an integration of a JioSavnn. So you can just click and right from the Boat Hearables app you can play any songs you want. So that you can select the language also. There is a lot of languages of songs available. Now in the application you can only see the L&R earbuds battery percentage. By default it actually connected with the LDAC only. The LDAC is currently in on condition. Now in the sound you can see the Boat adaptive EQ, and there is a Boat different equalizer settings like pop, club, custom, and default, balanced, rock, classic, like that. So you can create the manual EQ so using this custom EQ settings. But one thing is that once the LDAC codec is on, you can't able to use the Boat adaptive EQ mode. If I try to on, so it actually says LDAC is activated. So you have to disable the LDAC codec, then only you can use the Boat adaptive EQ. But in the LDAC codec you can change to different equalizer settings like balanced, rock, classic. So you can do these settings, but only you can't able to use the Boat adaptive EQ. So to use Boat adaptive EQ, you have to go to this Bluetooth settings and select the Boat Airdopes 800. Now here click on media audio and switch over to the SBC codec. You can only switch over the codec from LDAC to SBC and SBC to LDAC. So there is no AAC codec support. You can't able to switch over to AAC codec. After switched over to SBC codec, now in the Boat Hearables app, try to enable the Boat adaptive EQ. Now it actually enabled. And if you want to turn on the LDAC codec, again go to the same Bluetooth settings and switch over the SBC to HD in the media audio option. Now the LDAC codec is turned on and the Boat adaptive EQ is automatically turned off. And once you go to the touch option, so there is you can customize the touch action for the single tap and double tap. In the single tap and double tap you have these functions: previous, next, to volume up, volume down. So like this, play, pause mode, beast mode, Google Assistant. So based on your preference you can customize the touch actions. And then there is a system option. This Boat Airdopes 800 with the dual connection also. By default the multi-point connectivity is enabled. You can connect this Boat Airdopes 800 between two devices always. So for that, firstly you need to connect on the first device, and after that disable the Bluetooth connection on the first device and go to the second device and pair this Boat Airdopes 800 on the second device. And after that just enable the Bluetooth on both the device. Then this Boat Airdopes 800 high def connected on two devices, and it always connected between two devices at the same time. And there is also in-ear detection. By default it's on only. So with the help of in-ear detection, whenever you wear the earbuds, the audio will play, and after you take off, the audio will pause. This will also applicable for video content as well. And then here is the software update. Check for updates often. If you get any firmware update, just update it. So overall, these are all the features on the Boat Hearables app for this Boat Airdopes 800 high def. And these earbuds is also supported with Google Fastpair. So if you are using Android phone means just to go to the Google settings and here click on the all services and here you can see the devices option. Click on this and click on saved devices. Here you can see the Airdopes 800 high def. So after click on 800 high def, here you can see the left earbuds battery percentage, case battery percentage, and right earbuds battery percentage, and also you can rename it. And here is a find device option. Once you click on, you can ring the left earbuds or right earbuds. The earbuds is get hidden in anywhere, means you can ring the left or right earbuds. Using that you can find out that hidden buds somewhere else. And there is also lost known location. Once you click on that, it automatically goes to the Google Find My application. Using this, where you lastly connected these buds to the that Google account, you can able to find that lastly connected location using the Google map. So now overall, these are all the features and the connection methods, and how to enable or disable the LDAC codec on this boAt Airdopes 800 high def model. Well, that's it on this video, guys, and hopefully if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching this video, guys.